Hello guys, this is Dr. Tech Systems. Today I'm gonna unbox Infocus Turbo 5. So let's just check the cover which they have mentioned. We are having 5000 mAh battery, fingerprint scanner, 13 megapixel rear camera, and 5.2 HD display with curved glasses. It will cost you 7,999 rupees, and the gross weight is 334 grams. So let's just go ahead. Here we go. This is the piece. As you can see, this color is very nice, and we have got very good screen. See, the outlook is really very good. The curved screen, as you can see here, it is really very nice. Let's check what is there. These are some information regarding this. This warranty card. USB cable, and we have got this adapter, this SIM ejector pin. Let me switch off. So in this, if you see, we are having two categories, that is 32 GB and 16 GB. So this model is of 32 GB, which has 3 GB RAM. It will cost you around 8,000 rupees. So this is the adapter which we have got in this. So its output is 5 volts and 2 amps, which is quite normal. And if you see the cable, the length is quite good. That was all for this. So let's go ahead with this. As you can see, the display is very good. It's HD. We can see all the apps which they have given. Let's see about the phone. Model number. See, they have mentioned. We have got Android version 7. As you can see, the screen is very smooth. If you swap here and there, it is very good. So let's go ahead with this camera. See, as you can see, we have got very good camera. It's 13 megapixel. Let's try it once. See, we have got the details of this camera. Its file size is 3.74 MB, which is quite good. Focal length is 3.5 mm, which is good. So the camera is really very nice, and as you can see, the display is very good. That's all, guys. So preferably, it is worthy phone in 7,999 rupees. I suggest you to get this phone soon. And